Welcome back to Tonghack's channel. In this video, I will show you how to put picture in video on CapCut. In my CapCut here, I started my project consists of a video and I want to put a picture on the video. So the first thing that I need to do is click on overlay option. Then click on add overlay. Next, you click on photos to choose the photo that you have in your gallery. And I'll just have to click on the image that I want. Remember that you can only choose one image every time you add overlay on your video, and then you click add. And the next step is you can edit the duration, the placement, and resize the picture. Finally, you can preview first and continue to edit your project or finish and export it to your device. That's all. Thank you for watching, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys.